Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the newly redesigned Hisense 43-inch Smart TV. And trust me, there are quite a few updates you don't want to miss. From the packaging to the software experience, Hisense has given this TV a fresh new look in celebration of their 55th anniversary. So if you're planning to grab a 43 inches model, stay tuned. This is the one you want to watch out for. Starting from the box here, the carton itself. There's already a noticeable change. The box now features a bold 55, which might confuse some folks. No, this is not a 55-inch TV. It is actually 43 inches. The 55 recently represents Hisense 55th anniversary. It is part of the new branding. The carton design has also been refreshed. Now on the side, fully painted it white, which gives it a cleaner, modern look compared to the older brown style box. If you are curious about the old packaging, click the link above. I don't have the comparison in the previous video. Alright, let's open it up and see what is inside. As usual, we got the standard accessories, power cord, remote, and user manuals. But here is something different. The remote. This is a brand new remote design from Hisense. Compared to the older version, it is completely changed. New shape, different button layouts, and just feel more premium overall. Now let's take out the TV itself. First thing I noticed, the power cord is detachable. A big shift from the older models where it was fixed. That is definitely a welcome improvement, especially for cable management. Now let's talk about the ports. Something that matters a lot when you're connecting console, decoders, or soundbar. On the back and on the side of the TV, you will find two HDMI ports, USB ports, AV input, optical audio outputs, antenna in, that is the FR, headphone jack. All these essential ports are there, neatly arranged and easily accessible. Let's power it on and dive into the software. Right from the boot up, you'll notice the new basic setup screen, followed by the familiar Vidaa Smart TV interface. But here is the big surprise. This version includes Apple AirPlay support. That is right, AirPlay is now built in. Even though this is not a 4K model, previously you only got that feature on the more expensive 4K version. I went through the settings to check for software updates or other changes. Everything looks smooth so far. But if you notice something I missed, drop it in the comments. I did love to know what you find. Next up, let's test the picture quality. I fired up YouTube and honestly the visuals are impressive. Even though it's not a 4K TV, it feels like pushing out nearly 4K quality. Sharp, vibrant, and super clean. Heading over to the Vidaa App Store, most of the core apps are here as expected. I didn't notice any major addiction. But again, if you spot any new one, let us know down in the comments. So there you have it, the latest Hisense 43-inch Smart TV with a brand new look, updated remote, detachable power cord, and upgraded features like AirPlay. If you are shopping for a 43-inch model, this is the new version you should be looking for. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech updates, hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next upload. Thank you.